You know, I'm all about hope for people that don't have it. Can I make it? Do I have the value? Is anybody going to care? Is anybody going to open the door for me? Am I important enough?
If a student has a high school diploma or a GED, they come in here and can be in class within 4 or 5 weeks. This is Legin. Legin's a rapper. We're just taking a look at the new facilities.
It really touched me, man, when you said your goal with this was to give somebody a chance who wouldn't get a chance. Whether they're coming from somewhere where they've been disadvantaged.
Who of us has not fallen short? We've all made mistakes. We all need redemption. We all need forgiveness. Here, it's about serving students and moving people to an employable and lifelong career. Personal rebirth through vocation.
Giving a guy a chance to get out, live a meaningful life, provide for his family, and be able to hold his head up high.
Can I resurrect my professional life after what I've had in my past? And we're able to say, you can. So this is the main welding shop we'll go into.
So the culture kind of kept you around, in addition to the, that's dope. So you find out that somebody doesn't have their diploma and you help them get it for free.
That's right.
No obligation.
Absolutely no obligation.
Do I need the thing?
Yeah, let me get you.
I want the thing. I just want to wear one. I see a lot of superhero movies, so I want to. When I'm done with all this rap foolishness, I know where I'm coming. That's what I'm talking about, man. Go and give me that scholarship real quick. Thank you, man.
Thanks, man.
Can I wear this at the show?
I'm going to invest in the community around me in the form of programming that will make it a better, safer, richer place, led by a group of people who have a heart and passion for vocational rehabilitation. If you go through our automotive program, 6-month program, 9 industry certifications, a short program that builds on individual skills. And before you ever would have even gotten through your first year of 4-year university, you will have graduated this process, gotten your certification, and be working in a job making money for yourself and your family. Yeah, you can resurrect your professional life, and that's what we're about.
You get these skills. I mean, this isn't going anywhere.
This is like the basics. Starts you off at the basics, letting you know, hey, the different switches, like the motherboard.
Frankly, the more technology we rely on, the more we're going to need the maintenance on that. We look at that kind of thing and we say, that's education.
It seems like a legitimate, genuine culture of the staff you had. Talk to me about how you build a culture here that really cares about the students.
We work very hard on making this a great place to work, a great place to teach, a great place to take skills, for the instructor, skills that they've developed for decades in the work to give back. Customer service is something that we thrive on. 4th program here is called Building Maintenance, and it's 6 different trades. They learn framing and a little bit of carpentry, electrician, a little bit of plumbing, a little bit of tiling, a little bit of HVAC, and then some masonry. And you'll come out with all of those skills and be ready to work on a job site. So for us, it is the family atmosphere. It is the focus on certification. The classes being always available during the week from Monday through Thursday, day shift, night shift, midnight shift. We're always there to serve the student. You guys are going to be walking down an aisle with graduation caps on, and we're going to do everything we can do to make sure that happens.
So you've got financial counseling, resume writing, preparation for jobs, practice interviews?
Yeah.
That's crazy, man.
I love it when they leave here and make more money than they thought of, than maybe their parents ever did, that they never even dreamed would have been possible, doors that couldn't have been open. I know we've done a pretty special thing.